So our very first topic of the today's video is the Muslim law. Before that, in previous session, we have already covered the Hindu law. So if you have not seen that video, so quickly go through that video and check what is Hindu law. So now when we go through the Muslim law, so we have to got to see that what is Muslim law. So Muslim law is similar like the civil contract in which both the parties sign by their own will and with the offer and acceptance, and then they marry each other. Often the word marriage in Muslims, they called as nikah. ठीक है, तो in these laws husband, so whenever we see the Hindu Muslim law, we always feel one thing, that is husbands are given more and more rights rather than wife. Here in the marriage, in the Muslim marriage, men is more superior over the woman. Okay, so when we talk about the essentials of Hindu marriage, when we have talk about the essentials of Hindu marriage, similarly we have essentials in the Muslim marriages also. So both the parties should have the capacity to marry each other. Offer and acceptance should be done at same place, same time, and on the same occasion itself. Consent of the parties are required. Free will is required. No, undue coercion should be there. And meher should be given to the wife. So meher is a practice which is given, some money or some jewels is being given by the husband to the wife to say that the wife is being secured by the men. Okay, so polygamy is allowed in the marriages, while in Hindu marriages polygamy is not allowed. But in the case of the Muslim marriages, yes, polygamy can be practiced. Polygamy is basically having one or more wives of a husband. So polygamy may till five wives you can have if you have the capacity to maintain each and every wife of yourself. Okay, so जैसे हिंदू मैरिजेस में हमारे सिर्फ एक ही डाइवोर्स होता है, बट व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट द मुस्लिम मैरिजेस देयर आर डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ डाइवोर्स. ठीक है, तलाक तय्यफ, तलाक बिद्दत, खुला, जिला, इल्ला एंड लास्ट लाइन.